Sonia, may we thank you for your true wind rises, saying thank you.
Special people, the Vicky and Paul.
This recipe is for 6. You need 3 echalons.
Hello everybody!
An onion. I prefer it red, but you could put any onion. Nutmeg. Curcuma. That as well I prefer it fresh, but if you don't have, you can take powder. A bowl of crème fraîche, thick crème fraîche, rosemary, thyme, and this one, I don't know the word in English, it's called sarriette in French. It's really tasty and a lot of perfume. We have aperitif anisé. Every French person knows that. Drink that when it's really hot.
We don't do product placement, so that's the bottle.
Un grand verre. Something to peel or that, something to cut, and that to put in the pan a bit later. They're really beautiful. There's nothing to get out, to take out.
Onions make the cook cry.
Without tears.
In fact, you need butter too.
Yep.
Is it butter with salt or butter without salt?
Better without. You know, to the piece like that.
How much gram is that?
I would say 30 grams.
I asked Cély how much the butter was she used, and she said, I don't know, 30 grams.
No.
Look, 30.4. Unbelievable. So, tell us about this recipe. Where does this recipe come from?
Alors, je tenais un petit restaurant, un snack d'été. Et le village a organisé une course des garçons de café. On a remporté cette course et le prix c'était une caisse de 6 bouteilles de cet alcool anisé que ni moi ni mes collègues ne buvions. Et je me suis dit, mais tiens,
T'as des moules? Des moules? Oui, on mange des moules.
ok, bah c'est parfait. À tout à l'heure.
Ça va, c'est tout à l'heure.
Bisous.
Donc, on était où là?
On gagne ce carton de 6 bouteilles d'alcool anisé. Et le lendemain, nous avions une centaine de réservations pour une soirée de moules frites. Je me suis dit, au lieu d'utiliser du vin blanc, pourquoi pas essayer d'utiliser de l'alcool. C'est comme ça que sont nés, pour moi, en tous les cas, je sais que la recette existe dans de nombreux endroits en France, mais pour moi, ça a été le début de la recette des moules au pastis.
C'était quand?
C'était en 80. Ce qui est amusant, c'est que beaucoup de gens me disaient on n'aime pas cet alcool-là et ne commandez pas. Donc j'avais pris l'habitude de faire des petites coupelles avec ces moules cuisinées à l'apéritif en tapas. Et les gens se régalaient. Je me suis dit, oh c'est délicieux, qu'est-ce que c'est? Bah, ce sont ces fameux moules au pastis. C'est pas possible, j'aime pas le pastis. Bah, vous venez d'en manger, vous régalez. Voilà. Donc on revient à notre recette. On coupe finement les échalotes.
So, curcuma, fresh. Like in the other, I don't know which, when we made the brochette, the skewers. Oh, when we made, yeah, the crème fraîche with the potatoes. We didn't have the fresh curcuma, so Cély put the powdered one. So that's the
Rosemary.
rosemary.
On retire quand même le...
Take the big bits
Oui,
out.
quand il y a des grosses branches.
Thyme.
Et sarriette, dont je ne connais pas le nom en anglais.
And this is butter, huh? It's not boursin, it's not cheese.
Et on est de fou sur the pan, and I'm gonna put it on a medium.
It's on 4.
just for the butter to melt. So here, this time to add your onion and shallot. So here we have the greasy stuff, the butter. We have the curcuma, so I'm gonna add the pepper. Okay, you see, 1, 2, and 3. And there it's gonna melt a bit, reduce softly. So I'm just going to put a little drop to make sure it's not going to attach the full casserole.
Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It smells so good.
It still needs a bit, 5 minutes.
How long has it been going?
3-4 minutes, so in total 10 minutes.
On 4.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's time to add the alcohol. Okay, I think so you see it doesn't cover, and there the alcohol is gonna evaporate, leaving only the taste. I leave it for a few minutes. Mussels are really fragile. In order to stay fresh, they need to be really tight. So they are tight being in the fridge. When we start cooking them, people should already be more or less sitting at the table. You know, you bring it, it needs to be.
Okay. How many times have I had mussels? Honestly, well, I've never made them. I always sit at the table drinking apero.
Come and see closer. You see, my onion and
Dry.
are a bit dry. You might add a bit more. That would make a full glass in fact. And there I'm going to put a bit slower.
I'm free.
And like that we're going to get the right consistance. Voilà, ça doit fondre. Here it's good, it's all soft. Okay. So I'm gonna add the you have little thing to do that, but I like to do it with a knife. And like that you're gonna see exactly the amount I put. Here you see? I'm gonna add the cream. Here the curcuma is gonna give this nice. Okay.
Yellow color.
When there is cream, it should never boil. Okay. So I'm gonna stop on there. The cream is gonna take all the flavor. I'm gonna cover it. Leave it aside.
No longer on the hot pit.
Oh, and forget about it for a few hours.
Okay.
Voilà. Let's see you soon for the complete recipe.
Filming.
So we bought them this morning, and as I said before, we left them really tight in the bottom of the fridge. So now I'm gonna pour them here. cover them with water. And I'm gonna see if there is some, as you see, they are really clean, ready to be cooked. But I still need to check, you see that? You don't leave it. So, that neither. No, that. Because yeah, mussels are quite fragile. So I don't know if you've noticed, when I just took them out, they were a bit open. When you put them in water, they should all shut. If you see some that don't shut properly, don't take any risk, just put them away. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take two like that. And make sure they are all nice.
I'm ashamed to say I've never done and I think of all the muscles of it.
When you get used to it, just by the sound, you know when something is not right.
And these mussels are quite clean. Sometimes when we go fishing, you have to first scrub them off. It's more work. When something is free, nothing is free. You always have to do some things. You have to yeah, but that's okay. So, where do these oysters come from, Cély?
Mussels.
Oh yeah,
They come from Benetton,
it's like
the village of Cély.
yeah, but it's like Whitstable is England's Benetton.
We're gonna see when they are open. The color, they are really with a lot of flesh, and they are really tasty. The smell is very important because they shouldn't smell. Okay, so I'm aware that not every person that cook has the chance to have a singer-songwriter playing music at home. But when you cook, make sure at least you play some really nice music. Believe me, it's gonna change.
Cook burns her fingers.
It's not often, but it can still happen. That's been warmed. And now
Preheated pan.
I'm gonna pour all of them. Important. Cut the thing. And then you wait.
How long?
I would say 2-3 minutes. Then you're gonna shake the pot in order for all of them to be in contact with the bottom of the thing. Then when they are open, they're gonna lose the seawater. I'm gonna take some of the seawater out. Otherwise it's gonna be too liquid without cream. But I'm gonna leave some. And last minute when they are all open, we're gonna mix. I think it's time to eat the stuff. That's my kitchen helper. She tests everything. So she might be a bit afraid by the noise. I advise you to get something to not burn your finger and you have to come closer. Here they started to open, you know? You can hear. So keep them like that. Shake them every 2 minutes.
Where are we?
Ta-da! Look at that. Never put salt. Look. I'm gonna take some, like I said, of the seawater away. And I keep some, maybe not that much. And there. Oh. minutes.
that she preheated. You see, it's not boiling, it's just bubbling. And this is the dish. As simple as that, ladies and gentlemen. But that's not woke. People, human beings.
Bonjour people, de piqué en pot.
Make it a baby now.
Yeah. And now,
The herbs, the parsley. And voila, oh ça sent bon. You know, you guys, you're not here, but when you add herbs, magic happens. The way flavors, other flavors, it's incredible. Herbs are incredible.
so let's go.
Bonjour people, de piqué en pot.
It's récoltante, it's written there. It means all grapes come from the same patch of land. So that's usually a good thing.
They don't know how to live in the third world. They talk before they can walk. Stop a question I answer. Where is the second world? Where is the second world? Shut up.